Good morning, students. Hope all of you well. Isn't? Today we are discussing that quadratic formula. Quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation. How we can apply that formula and what is that formula? Last was the completing square method that we have discussed. Completing square method. How to solve the equation using quadratic formula that we will discuss. Quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then we can apply the formula, that is quadratic formula, that is negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is known as quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. b square minus 4ac almost greater than 0 or equal to 0. Then we get the real value of real numbers as the roots of the quadratic equation. Otherwise, the roots are not real. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it is negative number, then the roots are not real. Three conditions are there. You want to by heart this formula, negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, whole divided by 2a. You want to by heart this and apply how to solve the equation. b square minus 4ac, the condition is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. If it is less than 0, if its value is less than 0, then it is negative number. Root of negative number is imaginary, not real. Root of negative 1 is imaginary, negative 2 is imaginary, it is not real. So, the roots are not real. b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, then the roots of the equation are real numbers. You will get real numbers as the solution of the quadratic equation. So, you first by heart the formula. B square is x equals negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. That is the quadratic formula we want to use. So, the question, find the roots of equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. A equals, what is A? A equals, yes, 3. B equals, what is B here? Plus 5, C equals plus 2. B is positive, C is positive. Then what do you get? The answer 3x square plus 5x plus 2. So x equals negative b, that is negative 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square is 25 minus 4ac. 4 into 3 into 2 divided by, what do you get? What is divided by 2 into 3? What is the solution? Negative 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24. 25 minus 24. The answer is, yes, you know. Last answer, negative 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 6. So we get the answer negative 5 plus 1. Two answers you will get. Negative 5 plus 1, negative 4 divided by 6. Or next one, negative 5 minus 1, negative 6 divided. Two answers you get. The two answers are, one is negative 4 by 6, second one negative 6 by 6. So the numbers are negative 4 by 6. We can, cutting the common factor, what do you get? Negative 2 by 3 or negative 1. The both two negative numbers as the solution. So x is negative 2 by 3 or negative 1. Using this formula, negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Negative b, that is negative 5. Negative 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 4 into 3 into 2. You get 25 minus 24. So root 1, negative 5 plus or minus 1 by 6, you will get negative 4 by 6 or negative 6 by 6. Answer is negative 2 by 3 or very simple. To use the quadratic formula, we can easily get the equation, solution. We can easily solve the solution. So by heart the formula, there is quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation. Thank you all. Have a nice day.